Hey everybody, so I got a new fire pit to share from BALI or BALI today. I have worked with them now for a couple of years. They've sent me a lot of different ones to try out and share with you guys. And this is the newest one. It's a fire pit plus a grill. I have shared something similar from them in the past, but this one's a little bit different. I do like this one. I have been using it for a couple of days now. Now this is designed where you can store firewood and stuff underneath here. You do have a door. Now, personally, I'm not the biggest fan of storing wood underneath the fire pit, especially if I got to bend down near the fire and get the wood while it's burning. But that's at least me. I know some people do it, and it's there for you. Now, this also does come with a spark screen. So if you have your fire low enough, you can use this to help hold all the embers and everything in. And I did use this a little bit after the fire was already going. And then at the bottom, you do have this grate to help keep the wood up off the bottom, allow the ash to fall through, and allow some little bit of airflow like underneath your wood too. Now what's also cool is that this does work as a grill, and it works pretty well. I did grill a couple things on it just to test it out. You can also adjust this. There's a pin right here where you can bring this up or down. You can also pull it completely off if you want to use it just as a fire pit. And then when you're ready to grill, you can put this on here. You can choose the height that you want. You can go as high as right here, or you can go all the way as low as just a little bit over the opening. You also got one of these handles to allow you to move this back and forth easier. Now, just a quick warning, this will still get really hot depending on where it's situated. So I will warn you with that. Be careful when you even grab this. I would suggest using a pot holder or something, or even just using the little poker thing that comes with it. You use this. You also use this to raise up this cover here and to pull it off and to put it on so you don't worry about burning yourself. But if you're looking for a really nice 2-in-1 barbecue grill and fire pit, I really like this one. I like it's up off the ground a little bit, so it's a little bit higher, easier to maneuver. It's easier to work with. The grill, as you can see, is a perfect height to work with. And you can use either charcoal or wood in here. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.